Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. How are you today? I hope you all will be fine. I am Ikranwar. I am a science teacher in KPS school. Class 4 Subject Science. Topic Solids, Liquids and Gases. Students, in previous lecture we discussed about the solids and liquids. In this lecture we will discuss about gases. Students, gas particles are not closely packed together. The force of attraction between these particles are so weak. These particles can move freely. They bounce with each other and shoots off in all other directions. That is the reason that gas has no fixed shape. Because particles are not closely packed together, they can freely move and they bounce with each other and shoots off in all directions. And gas has no fixed volume because they take the whole space of the container. Particles are weakly attached with each other due to weak force of attraction. We can easily compress the gas because there are lots of free spaces between particles. Particles can move easily. That is the reason that gas has no fixed shape, no fixed volume and not rigid. Students, gas occupies the whole space of container. When a man pump air in the tire of bicycle, it occupies all the space of the tire. Sometime when gas cylinder is opened, gas molecules escape from the cylinder and join the particles of air. We can then smell the gas. This example shows that gas has no fixed shape, no fixed volume because gas occupies the whole space of the container. For example, air in tire occupies the whole space available, and in case of cylinder, gas occupies the whole space of the container or cylinder. Students, in previous lecture we have learned what is matter, what is difference between a solid and a liquid. Do the particles in a liquid stay in one place? Do liquids have a fixed shape? Explain your answer. Students, you can solve all these questions by previous lectures. आई होप स्टूडेंट्स आपको समझ आ गई होगी कि लिक्विड और सॉलिड में क्या डिफरेंस होता है. लिक्विड स्टेट में पार्टिकल्स स्टे करते हैं इन वन पोजीशन और नॉट. क्या लिक्विड्स फिक्स शेप रखते हैं? एक्सप्लेन करना अपना आंसर. थैंक यू एंड अल्लाह हाफिज़.